Sanmunani, welcome to my channel. If you don't already know, my name is Angel, and in this video I want to show you my visual loc journey. Now I am 1 year 3 months currently, and I mean your girl's a little baby, but I think, I don't know, they're growing, they're coming strong and it's looking good. But yes, I just wanted to introduce you to my visual loc journey and explain a little bit about how I started my locs, because maybe there's going to be like a few months of gaps and I want to just explain. So in South Africa, how we start locs is they will open up your parts and then they will comb coil your parts with wax or gel, and then they will automatically just after that style your hair, so it stays in a very styled way for about a month, and then also actually it can even be up to 2 or 3 months. I mean, if you can keep a style on for that long. But yeah, they will put the gel on your individual parts, and then they'll put wool on the hair, so they'll wrap your hair with wool, and then that they say that they do that so that they can keep the hair tight inside and so that it locks quicker. I don't know how true that is, I don't know. But then yeah, then they style your hair with the wool in, and then yeah, so that you just carry on styling your hair. So I think I'll show it to you, but I think my first style I kept on for 2 months, and then the next one for 2 months, and the next one for 2 months. And then yeah, until I was just like, you know what, stop it, I just want to see my hair. But yes guys, do enjoy the visual loc journey.
Rasta pending.
thank you for watching that, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and please tell me how far you have gone in your lock journey. I mean, it's always exciting to hear, and if you're a newbie as well, tell me, comment. Also, please subscribe to the channel because every Wednesday I post videos like this. On Saturdays I sing for you. Yes, I sing. And yeah, please turn the bell notification on as well so you know whenever I do post. And just thank you guys for staying to the end of the video. Stay blessed.